Okay, can you repeat what you said?
Okay, so you called in on September 3rd, and there was an order placed on your account to have it canceled. And the effectivity of the cancellation is on the 28th of September because um, the service will, the disconnection of the service will be effective up until the end of your billing cycle.
Even though we had no service at that time, beyond the 3rd.
So the service is actually up until the 27th at 11:59 p.m. I'm sorry you were not advised of that one, but your service are still up on that one. Even though you don't use the service is still up.
And the
You
equipment
can
had
still use the service.
and the equipment had been returned.
So if you so by that time, if you were advised that the service is still up, you wouldn't have returned the equipment, I believe. So I'm sorry for that one. And if you want to speak to someone who had like some information about the contract that you have, we have a dedicated department for that one as well.
I believe that you are absolutely telling me what you understand to be so, and that is your policy. There's no point, I think, to going up and screaming at anyone else. I don't really even mean to scream to you, but it's not what we expected.
I perfectly understand. Yes, Dina, I perfectly understand how you're feeling right now because you were not sold something that's currently happening here in your account. Because if I were you, I would feel the same way.
Yeah, we actually were told
So,
we'd be getting a refund. Okay. So that's where it stands then.
So, me myself, I am really confused why you were not advised of that one because we're actually doing this for quite some time now. It's been a couple of years that we had this certain policy that if the service has been canceled, customers should be advised that the effectivity of the cancellation will be at the end of the cycle. Because if you check the previous bill that you had before, you'll see there on the last bill that you received, the one where you've been billed, this bill, the $243.96. You'll see there on that bill that those are the charge for the days of August 28th up until September 27th. If you still have a copy of that one, you can also see that one there.
You don't get copies.
I don't believe I still have a copy. I'm not sure if I had a copy.
You get everything
But
emailed online.
We generally.
If you still have your online account, if you still have your online account, if you still have some information about the emails that we sent you about your bills being ready, you can still check that one out.
Okay,
so you can use that one as a basis.
Okay, I don't believe we have that.
For the bill that was
Generally,
generated.
I don't keep that, but that's so I'll have to take your word for that. But the bill is not going to be prorated from the cancellation date. That it will be we will be charged for the 3 weeks that we had no service and the equipment was back, and that's interesting to know.
Well, yeah, I'm sorry that this is the first time that you knew about that, but you should have been advised by the person who canceled your account, and I'm sorry for that one.
We're getting a refund.
Yeah, he actually told us we were getting a refund, so okay. And we did not expect to have that swept. Okay, I think we're done. And thank you for your time.
And yeah, I appreciate your understanding and you being kind, even though we're on this kind of ordeal.
There's no point to getting upset with you. You did what you could. You checked for me to see if there was something that could be done, and there can't. So there's no point to getting wound up with you.
Yeah, and I appreciate you for that.
Okay. That's it, I guess, then. Thank you.
And yeah, you're very welcome. And thank you very much for calling today, for being kind and understanding. Thank you very much for calling AT&T.
Bye-bye.
Alrighty, bye-bye.
Well, it appears as if we are going to get charged for 3 weeks, over 3 weeks, that we did not have service, even though we were told when we canceled this account and opened a different one with AT&T that we were told by the rep who did this that we would be getting a refund, and that's not going to happen. So when you get contracts for your satellite TV service with DirecTV, with Dish, with anyone. Oh dear. It probably would be best if you checked your contract and find out how that worked. In this case, they just directly swept our account for about $240 that we did not expect, absolutely did not expect. So there's your warning. Make sure you check your contract and know what you're getting into, because AT&T was not going to give us any kind of refund at all. We had service on this particular payment for about 5 days, and they charged us $240.96 for the whole month.